What's up, guys? So I'm going out to feed the horses. Look at the sunrise this morning. So pretty. Quick, are you ready for breakfast? He's like, what took you so long? Buddy, the sun just came up. Yeah. So their water bucket has ice, but they were able to still get quite a bit of water. You can see where they broke it to get down. So I poured this one, but I'm gonna go get a different bucket, one that don't have ice in it. Two of these over there. They ate some of their hay. I know this one was filled more than the other one, so they ate quite a bit. This one had like 5 flakes of hay in it, so they ate a lot of hay last night. Yeah. And they also have the brown bale of hay they can eat too. Look at the sunrise. Oh my goodness. So the temperature this morning is 9 degrees. Apparently, by watching the news, that is the coldest it's been since like 1908 or something like that. Very long time. So, I'm gonna hurry up and get these horses fed. I know they're ready to eat. This is the cat food. So Quick only gets a half a scoop because he does fine on a half a scoop. I know he'd prefer to have more, but he doesn't need anything more than a half a scoop. He's a big boy. I'm gonna go get another bucket to fill this one up completely. It's done. Okay, so their hay bags are filled and their water bucket's filled. So I'm gonna go in. They're so happy. They're doing great, even with it being so cold. Okay, so it's been about 3 hours since I fed the horses, so I'm gonna bring them some more water. The sun's shining today, but it's not supposed to get above freezing today. I think the high today is like 29. Did y'all just see that on camera? A cat just ran across the pond and went into that culvert. I was watching them, but I think it's on camera too. Pretty girl! Are you rolling in the snow? Oh my goodness. You're so happy. Julie B, you can come get some water? He's so pretty. Hey. Oh, yeah. Yeah, they have plenty of hay still. Let's see if they drink. It's got a layer of ice. Getting a drink. She'll probably drink. I'm gonna fix her blanket.
Kaylee, you can't go nowhere, honey.
Well, I'm just gonna fix her blanket. Oh, much better. Oh. They don't have ice hanging from them now. Thankfully. That's all melted. They still have a little bit on their blankets. There's a good girl. They're staying warm. Now Quick came in and he's getting some hay. I want to see him get a drink. The reason we have this trash can in here is because I put the winter blankets in there during the summertime when we're not using them. It's just storage. There's not actually trash in there. Quick, I'd like to see you get a drink of water. Oh, all I do is just walk over here. Good. Good. Okay. There we go.
Yeah, Mama got mad at Alan. For
I'll just keep going. Scooter's just loving the snow. He's just loving it. Oh my goodness. You just love the snow, don't you, boy? Yeah.